Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Preeti channel. Today's section, let's learn about stream much deeper. Let In the last section, we have understood, we have solved one problem, right? So in the same problem, I have come up with one another example where we need to this is the output we have received in the last section, right? Electronic, grocery, clothing. We need to return the result in the sorted manner. That is, the output should be something like this. The key value should be sorted. Here, electronics, among electronics, grocery, clothing, if we sort in alphabetical, clothing will come first, right? So clothing should go to the top, next electronics, next grocery. This should be the expected output. Okay, so yeah, this should be the expected output. And also we need to return the customer name. The customer name is nothing but the maximum uh, here. If you see, we have electronics, two electronics are there whose where price is greater than 500, right? So here customer is U1 and U2. We need to return the customer who bought maximum amount price. If you see here, U2 is the maximum customer because cost is 700, which is greater than 600, right? So here customer name we should return U2. Okay, so in previous example we have applied the flat map and we have simply ignored the order because in our previous example we not required the detail that is present in the order, but in this example we require the customer ID that is present at the top level of the item. Now how to solve this one? This is a previous example, forget about this one. Let's do that. Okay, yeah, let's all together. uh, what we can do, basically we can iterate the stream, right? Order is the one which contains these details, right? So what we can do, we first apply the flat map as per our example. Order dot get items dot stream. But before we come out from the flat map, directly here itself we can apply the filter while placing the ingredients in the masala box. That moment itself you are applying the filter. You are deciding which item to be placed in the masala box before placing into the masala box. Yeah, okay, so instead of applying the filter after placing the ingredients into the masala box, we are applying the filter before placing the ingredients to the masala box. To place the ingredients to the masala box as per our requirement, what is the expected one? We need to check whether the price value is greater than 500, isn't it? So item dot get price into item dot get quantity greater than 500. Okay, first one, during the flat map, very first step what I am doing, I am applying the filter. Next, what after applying the filter, what we need to do, we need to return the result. In our previous example we have returned something in this format, like processed item something. But here, before we place item into the ingredient box, we need the customer name to be. That's why we are doing this things. Okay, so map of item. What are the things we can do? before we place the thing into the, we have some object called processed item, right? In our previous example we have taken this one. Here I have added some new attribute called customer id. We can use this constructor. Okay, so what I will do, we to place the item into the processed item, I need the final price, correct? So double of total equal to item dot get quant price into item dot get quantity, double final price equal to total into 0.9, something like this only we have solved in our previous example, right? So total into 0.9. Now after including this one, what I need to do, I need to return new processed item. The first one should be the product name, item dot get, the next one should be the customer id, the next one should be the processed item, and the last one should be the final price. Okay, yeah. So why this error is coming? Okay, it looks like the constructor which is present here is not public. Let's make this as public. Why this error is coming? Okay, now this is sorted out. Okay, and now I'm going back. Yeah, we are returning the product name, customer id, item, final price. Okay, after this I have mapped. If I map this, what will happen, while placing the item to the ingredient box, that moment itself, instead of placing an item, we are placing the processed item. Let's check it out. What is the response we are getting for this? Okay, what I will do, as per my understanding, we should get list of processed item list equal to what, okay, sorry, my bad, here it should be list. Yeah. What is the problem? Yeah, the end we need to convert into two lists, right? Sorry, we need to convert into two lists. Yeah. Now let me print out this. Okay, system dot out dot println of processed item list plus processed item list. Now let me run this. Okay, yeah, forgot about the previous examples. Here you can see, ignore the last previous one. Here you can see processed item, I am getting electronics, product 1, product 2. Here item, you can see the price is greater than 300. Final price also I have applied the customer id. Why it is coming as null? Why this is coming as null? This we need to check it out. Yeah, in all places customer id is coming as null. Okay, sorry, my bad, that is not a customer id, that is user id. You get user id. If you see in our order one, we have included the user id only. If you see here, user id only, not the customer id. So now let me rerun this. Yeah, now see here we have a un, then we have another electronics which is 700, price value is 700 and the final price is 630. U2 grocery is there where the price is 200, final price is 720. U2 another clothing is there where the price is 400, final price is 720, right? So we have received the processed item where the now, but this is not our expected. We need to return the result in key value pairs, correct? So I am removing this. I have shown to make you understand clear. So we have one object with the product, user id, item, final price. Now we need to convert that into a key value pair. So to convert that into key value pair, first we need to group by product name. Collectors dot grouping by with which one we need to do, with processed item dot get product name. After that, what we need to do, we need to after grouping by uh, we need to collect, we need to apply some logic in the value, right? So we can go for collectors dot collecting, then there we need to convert that to list, and then we are applying the logic, what we are going to do. So list, what logic we are going to do here, we are going to return the result in the result in this format, price details. Here we have only total revenue, max price. Let me add another thing called string customer name. Let me add one new constructor, double total revenue, item, maximum priced item, string customer name. This dot total revenue equal to total revenue. This dot max priced item equal to max priced item. This dot customer name equal to customer name. And we need to make this as public. After this, we have to keep another, because this will be impacted, so let me create another constructor for our previous example. This dot total revenue equal to total revenue. This dot max priced item equal to max item. That's it. And I need to remove all our constructor, because we are for the constructor we are doing the manual operation. Now I am going back. So here what I need to do, I need the final price. Let me go back here. I need the total revenue, maximum price, and then item. To find the total revenue, what we need to do, we need to find the final price equal to list dot stream dot map. In the list, what we have, processed item, right? Processed item get final price, map to double. We need to, whenever we apply any mathematical operation, we need to, for object we need to go for map, but for applying any mathematical, like sum, we need to find sum, count, double, then we need to go for map to double, something like that. Okay, we are going for map to double. Why we are going for map to double? Because final price value is double. Dot, here you can see, right, automatically all the mathematical logic is coming, average, box is not mathematical, reduce, sum, count. So among this, which one we are going to pick? We are going to pick sum. Okay, next, what else we need to find it out? We have the final price in our hand. The next one, what we need to find is, we need to find the customer name, right? Sorry, the next one, what we need to find is maximum price, item, max priced item equal to list dot stream dot max. we have a list of processed item. Among those, what we are doing, I am applying the mathematical logic. I'm picking the maximum list, comparator dot comparing with which one we are going to compare, processed item get final price, processed item get final price. If we apply that, automatically we will have the one processed item which has maximum final price. Among that, which one, from the result, what we need, we need the we need that item, right? Dot processed processed item dot get item. Suppose this is a if we apply the max, it will return the rest in optional, so we need to go for or else null. If that item is not available, then what we are planning to return. So we have final price, max priced item, then what else is pending in our side. Pending is picking the maximum customer name, right, which has string customer name. So we are going to, we have a, after applying the group by, we will have a list of product items in the values, right? There we apply the final price, maximum price. Among that, we are going to pick the one who has the maximum final price. The same thing, list dot stream dot, let's apply the max, comparator dot comparing of processed item dot get final price, if it is there, then map processed item dot customer name, customer ID, or else simply return null. Okay, maybe there may be a chance where two customers have the same quantity and same price. We will that example we can see. I don't want to confuse now. We will see after this. Return new. What do we need to return? We need to return the price details. There we need to pass total revenue, which is nothing but final price, max priced item, customer name. That's it. System.out.println, the result will be something like a key value pair, right? Map of string, product name is a key, and the value is nothing but price details, right? Let me minimize this one. Result 4 something. What I need to do, I need to print this result 4 here, result 4. Okay, final results. Now let me run this and show to you. Yeah, final result, you can see the grocery total revenue is 720, the customer name U2. Let's go to our example and check whether it is correct or not. We have two groceries. Here it's 800, here it's 200. 200 is not greater than 500, so this will not be considered. Here this is 800. The customer name is U2, so you can see U2 is picked. Next, clothing, here we have 800 greater than 500, here we have 300 which is not greater than 500, so this will be considered. Clothing, here you can see the customer name as U3, this one. Now moving on to electronics, where we have two items where price is greater than 500. Let's check it out. Here we have a price greater than 2 into 300, which is greater than 6 and 500. And here also we have electronics, which is greater than 700. You know how to apply the 10% discount on that, right? So total revenues has expected 1170. Maximum price to one is 700, which is expected, and the customer name here, the expected should be U2. See here, U2. Now let me add the same electronics item to the next example here. Okay, sorry, not yeah, here I have a same electronics item. The product ID is P3 only, because sorry, the product ID is P6, next it is P7. Okay, same electronics is present year and year. Okay, now I need, while returning the customer name, I need to ask both have the same one. I need to return the one who has a maximum price item, right? Here the maximum price, obviously we will get 700, but the but we will end up with a case where maximum customer. Okay, first let's run this example and check what is happening. Okay, in the final result, forget about grocery, clothing. Our motto is electronics, because we have duplicated 3 times, right? So total revenue is 1800, because we have copy pasted one extra item here, right? In U3 700. Previously we used to get 1170. 1170, I guess it's coming correctly only. 1 into 700, we will get 700 minus 70, which is 640. 1170 plus 1170 plus 630. 630, what is the output? Let me put the calculator. 540 plus 630 plus 630, 1170 plus 630, we are getting 1800. Here you can see 1800. Maximum one, it picked the product item P3. This one it picked. Okay, and the customer one also U2 it considered. Now my scenario is, here I have 2 different customers with the same electronics. If 2 are having the same products, what I need to do, I need to return the customer name in descending order. Here I found the maximum price one, but I have it picked the only one among from the list. While applying maximum, what will happen, it will pick from the list which is occurring in first. Here this one is occurring first, right? So that's why that value is being considered. Okay, so now what I will do, I will dot, then comparing. We need to pick if more than one item are present, then comparing processed item dot customer ID. Okay, now let's see dot reversed, then comparing reversed to something like that. Is it there? Then comparing dot again, then comparing only. Yeah, dot reversed. Let's check it out. Okay, yeah, grocery, forget about grocery, clothing, that we know. Coming to the electronics, 1800 P3, customer name is still showing as a U1. Which is not the correct, right? Our expected one is okay. Electronics, this is not the maximum amount, right? Some wrong thing has happened. 1 minute. No. It picked the one which is then comparing customer dot like this only it should be there. Yeah, now run. If you apply like that, what is happening? It's doing in reverse fashion. Reverse fashion of comparing the final price. Okay, let us go to the electronics. Yeah, here you can see, right, customer name U3 being considered. So actually what is happening, when we apply maximum max of final price, we have the same final price which is present in two orders, right? Here with the same amount, here also it's present, here also it's present. It found the one which is greater than 500, that value is being considered, but the problem is here we need U3, not the U2. If two orders are having the same final price, then we need to return the customer name in descending order. So that's why I have applied then comparing. Automatically then comparing method will be triggered if more than one item is present. There it pick the customer ID, from there I pick the customer ID and returning the customer name. Now another requirement we had, right, like return the result in sorted manner. In group by function, we have one functionality called you simply need to include tree map of new. If I include this, what will happen while applying the, let me go here, you can see the supplier, right? While grouping, automatically it will include the keys in sorted manner. So before applying the tree map, you can see here grocery came, and then clothing, and then electronics, which is not sorted correctly, right? Let me now run this one. Yeah, here you can see clothing, electronics, grocery, which returns response in ascending order of keys. And if more than one values exists in orders, it returns the one it returns a customer ID in descending order. Yeah, so at the end of the section we have understand how to include the fallback scenario if more than one item is present after applying our business logic by using then comparing. And we also understood how to sort the key value pairs map by using tree map new inside the grouping by. Also we in this section we have understand how to return the top orders attribute to be processed in the next downstream processing. In this example, because in previous example we don't need the customer ID, but in this example we need the customer ID, but customer ID was present in the top order. So as part of this example, what we have understood in the flat map, while placing the ingredients in the masala box, that moment itself we are checking whether it is greater than 500, and then instead of placing the item into the ingredient box, we are including the processed item inside the masala box. That processed item contains product name, user ID, item, final price. Yeah, hope this clear. If you have any questions, please include in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye bye.